This feature helps you quickly find metrics with similar patterns of behavior so that you can more easily determine the cause of performance issues. In this demonstration, we have gotten a call from an application owner complaining that the shopping cart web server is running slowly periodically. They are asking for more CPU, but before you approve the resource request, you just want to validate that it is justified. On the All Metrics tab, we can see the web server object that is being monitored by vRealize operations. Also, we can see the Linux OS object which hosts the web server. Now we can see the SDDC infrastructure supporting the application, OS, and VM. This gives us an end-to-end or full stack view of the environment so we can easily investigate more thoroughly. Let's start our investigation at the VM and see how much CPU it has been consuming in the past 6 hours. A graph shows us CPU usage for the past 6 hours. We can easily see a pattern of behavior where the CPU usage is sustained for around 30 minutes at 30%, but then jumps rapidly to 53% before falling back again within a few minutes. This is interesting, but what would be great to know is which other metrics on this VM have the same pattern of behavior. vRealize operations can analyze all of the VM's metrics over the time frame in our chart to quickly find any correlation. Here we can see the correlated metrics. This is interesting. The network data receive rate on the VM shows the same pattern as CPU workload. Could there be periodic bursts of traffic to the web server? Since we can see that there's an increase in network traffic on the VM that correlates with the web server CPU usage, let's take a look at some web server metrics to see what is going on there. Busy workers indicates how many workers the Apache server has running to handle user threads. So the increase in CPU and network traffic seems to be correlated to an increase in busy workers on the Apache server. The scale is different for each of the metrics. Network receive rate skews the y-axis, but we can see that CPU usage, network rate, and busy workers are all showing the same pattern of behavior. It would be interesting to know if the behavior of the CPU usage on the web server is impacting the database server. This time we will click Selected Metric of All Peers, which will evaluate the CPU usage % pattern of the web server against the same metric on all peer VMs. Indeed, there is an impact on the database server CPU usage at the same time. At this point, you have enough information to show that the increased CPU usage correlates with increased application usage, and it also results in increased CPU usage on the database server backend. But you want the application owner to confirm what you are seeing and jointly come up with a plan to address the problem. Perhaps there's a periodic or scheduled job running against the web server that's creating the brief spikes in usage. Or maybe this is a legitimate usage pattern and additional resources need to be allocated to allow more Apache workers to be run. We can share these charts on a custom dashboard that will be automatically created. This is a pretty simple dashboard, but you can edit and enhance it with more information, such as the relationships view. For now, let's just create a shared link for the application owner. You can set the dashboard link to expire after some time or to remain permanently. Anyone with the share link will be able to view the dashboard and use the dashboard controls for changing the date, time, using widget interactions, or other read-only type tasks. They don't have to log into vRealize operations, but they also cannot navigate outside of the dashboard, take actions, or otherwise make permanent changes. In this demonstration, you saw how a complaint about an application's web server was easily investigated and correlation of metrics allowed for quickly understanding the context of the problem and potential actions for remediation.